Start. Good morning all. I am Shashikant Mishra, Assistant Professor in Cybersecurity Department from Guru Institute of Technology. Today we are gathered here to present our prototype that is related to real-time data processing and streaming using Azure technology. Okay. So this product is developed by these students under my guidance. I guided them how to make this project. I give them some ideas how to make this project. Now this project will be explained by these students in detail.
Good morning everyone, my name is Jagadish and this is our team, Mr. Vinny and Mr. Surya Speaker, and this is a project prototype which is real-time data processing and streaming analytics with Azure Data Factory. If we go into the topic, this is our introduction. On day-by-day basis, the many companies, many hospitals like software technologies and bank offices, these all business sources are generating lots of data. So because with that data, we have to analyze this, and this data comes from various sources such as sensor data, social media, as I said now. And what is Azure Data Factory? It is a cloud-based ETL orchestration service. ETL stands for Escort and Transform Load. Visually design and automate data movement and transformation workflows. Here we can visualize the data. And what is real-time data processing? In this Azure data, the real-time data processing is streams as they are generated. Low latency for insights and decision making. So now the streaming analytics. Analyzing real-time data streams to identify the patterns and trends. As we get the data, but through analyzing those data topics, and through that we will analyze those patterns and trends, we will give the results to the outcome. And benefits of this real-time data is faster insights, improved decision making, reduced costs and scalability. Because of this real-time project, the cost expenditure will be very less. And methodologies which we follow here is the pipeline divided into distinct models. If we go into deeper, it is divided into 4 types, which is data ingestion model, data transformation model, and streaming analytics model, data delivery module. Data transformation model. The first one is data transformation model. Here it prepares the data by analyzing this, cleansing data to remove inconsistencies and creating new attributes. ADF provides a visual interface for building this. Next, and the data delivery module. It delivers the results of streaming analytics model. As the given data is analyzed, it will stream the analytic to approach destinations. Like examples are given below. If we look into it. Next. The real world examples. Some of the real world examples for this is fraud detection in a retail store. As many sources are increasing, there are many fraud. There is chances of occurring fraud. So to detect this, we introduce this project. So it is one of the real-time example. And these are some snapshots of our project module. And if you look at this, these are some snapshots which we will go through that. And future enhancement. What is this? Is envelope integration and real-time data debugging. Here, it develops the reverse mechanism for debugging the data. And this is a prototype of the project. Thank you.